Hey y'all, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share with y'all how to make a cup of buttermilk. Most of us don't buy buttermilk, and when you do buy it, it's expensive. So I'm going to show you how to make homemade buttermilk using what you already have, using your regular milk. Y'all come on, and I'll show you what to do. Okay y'all, there's two different ways you can make yourself 1 cup of buttermilk. You're going to be using your regular milk. This is whole fat milk, and you're going to measure out 1 cup of your milk. And now for this one, we're going to be using our white vinegar. White vinegar can be added to regular milk to make your buttermilk. So we're going to measure out 1 tablespoon of our vinegar. And in this recipe, I would use white vinegar, not apple cider vinegar. And just add that 1 tablespoon. Okay. Give it a little mix. And you'll need to let it set for about 10 minutes. Okay, so that's the white vinegar recipe for your 1 cup of buttermilk. And this one, we're going to do 1 cup of milk, and we're going to be using lemon juice for this one. So you can use lemon juice or vinegar to make your homemade buttermilk. And if you had some buttermilk and you had a little bit left in your jug, if you had like 3/4 of a cup, you could take that 3/4 of a cup of your buttermilk, add it to 3 cups of whole milk, let it sit on the counter for around overnight, maybe 12 hours, and it will turn into your buttermilk. And then you can take and use that every time you want to make yourself a quart of buttermilk. Just always save yourself about 3/4 of a cup of your homemade buttermilk. Now to this recipe, this 1 cup of milk, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of our lemon juice. Now this right here is a real good brand of lemon juice. We get it at Costco. And we're just going to give that a mix. And the same goes with this one. You'll let it sit for about 10 minutes while you're doing your recipe. So this just is a short little video showing you that you can make your buttermilk and not have to buy that quart of buttermilk. Because most of us don't drink buttermilk, we just use it for recipes. So when we buy it, we usually leave it in the fridge and forget we've got it. So this is a way to save money and use what you got to make what you need instead of buying that quart of buttermilk. Now you can tell it's already changing. Neither one of these will turn out as thick as your store-bought buttermilk. But let's give it time to change. Well, it's been about 10 minutes. I want to show y'all the difference in my milk already. Look at how the one with vinegar is already changing. So if your recipe calls for a cup of buttermilk, you could go ahead and add this to your recipe. Okay, now that's the one with vinegar. Let's look at the one with the lemon juice. Now y'all can see it's starting to change, but it's not as thick as the one with the vinegar. The acid in the vinegar is changing the milk faster than the one with the lemon juice. Look at the difference. You can just see how it's getting more thicker and creamier. So this is just 2 ways that you can save money in the kitchen by using what you got and making what you need. So the next time you need that cup of buttermilk, you don't have to run out to the store. You can make it yourself and still do that recipe that you're thinking about doing. And it calls for buttermilk. Now this works great for a recipe, but if you do like to drink buttermilk, I don't think you'd want to drink this. It's not exactly like the store-bought buttermilk to drink, but it's great for any recipe. Okay y'all, that's our video on how to make 1 cup of buttermilk. You can use white vinegar or lemon juice, whichever you've got, with 1 cup of whole milk. You can make it yourself to save money. If y'all like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you hadn't already. And like always, happy cooking. And you want to soak them in buttermilk and you don't have any, I'm going to show you in today's video what to do. So the next time you need just a little bit of buttermilk to do a recipe, you don't have to buy buttermilk. You can make it yourself using what you probably already have.